Hello, loves. My name is K.Hill of lockccessories.com, your online home for all things curls, coils, kinks, and locks. And it's Saturday night, and some of you might be heading out for the evening, and it's actually going to be an early night for me. I'm feeling a little drained because I spent all day. You know how you'll start a project and you think it's not going to take you much time at all. You say you want to print out a piece of paper. You're like, printing out a couple sheets of paper, that's not going to take any time. No sweat. Don't even think twice about it. And it ends up taking an hour, like all kind of technical glitches and things. Well, that's kind of what happened to me today. I was working on a blog post, and it literally took me the whole day working on this blog post. Hey Candace, thanks for dropping by. Yeah, I'm just kind of venting a little bit because working today on something that I thought was going to be so simple and so quick ended up taking my whole day, and it made me so frustrated that I'm just like mentally zapped. So, but I did want to get my live in for today because I love hopping on and talking with you guys. And Candace, if you want to talk about any topics for future Curl Chats, feel free to throw them in there. Hey Dino, hey. It looks like a bunch of people are staying in for Saturday night. Not just me. I thought it was just me, but that's cool. So yeah, I was like really frustrated, mentally drained because this little project that was supposed to take, just a little bit of time, maybe, a couple of hours I was expecting, maybe 1 or 2 hours, took me the whole freaking day. Hey, Terry. So yeah, I was so frustrated, still a little bit, annoyed actually. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to call it a night. I'm going to relax, maybe read a book or something. And just give up. I'm just going to chalk this one up. The blog post still isn't published. It's in the queue because I'm still not totally finished with it. I decided to enlist some help and get some other ideas before, but it's all prepped. And as soon as I get that feedback, I will be publishing it and then have another series of steps after that. But that's not why I hopped on to talk with you guys tonight. Since I'm having this early night, I decided to share with you guys what my bedtime routine is for my loose natural hair. And I used to do the same thing when I had locks as well, but it's just kind of like a routine that I go through every night. I see Terry. Hey Terry, did I say hello already? I hope I did. But yeah, my bedtime routine is actually really simple. But it makes a big difference in the health of your hair. So I'm going to share that with you now. It's really just 3 easy elements. And the first thing is I have my spritzer bottle of aloe vera juice and tea tree oil and a few other essential oils that I always put into my into my aloe vera juice. Hey Warren, everybody's in. It's like a Saturday pajama party. That's cool. So this is the first ingredient, and I always spritz my hair with this every single night. I never go without my aloe vera juice. Then I would say like every other day, not every day, I'll use my mix of this. For me is castor oil. And I also put the essential oils in this as well. And what I'll do is I'll spritz first. And I'll just show you. Like, you see, I even actually, whether my hair is loose or whether I have it in a style, I'll still use this. So you see it's already in a style. I'm not going to disturb the style. I don't have to take this down. I can just spritz and it'll penetrate anyway, right? Now, if I do have it in a style, I'm not going to massage my scalp as vigorously as I would if it were loose. But in this case, I'll just put a little bit in my hand and I'll go in the direction of the style. Tell me if you, the ladies out there, do you do that as well? Guys too, like maybe some guys, I know at least my dad, he's like really into doing those wave caps